Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, my name is Abidemi Abbas. On this channel, I talk about finance, investments, and Africans in diaspora. So today I'm going to be talking about the recent news of inflation in Nigeria and how this impacts our investments and savings. If you're interested in that, please continue to watch. The recent news about inflation in Nigeria make us know that inflation level in Nigeria is sitting around 16.47%. That is way too much, very ridiculous. So what does this mean to our investment? What does this mean to our savings? So first of all, what is inflation? So inflation is the general increase in the prices of goods, services, and commodities. So this basically means you're losing money. Even if your money is saved, you're losing money. So there is a decrease in the purchasing power of your currency. Then what can we do to preserve our capital? What can we do to preserve our money? So I'm going to be talking about this in the subsequent section of this video. But first of all, what is the cause of inflation in Nigeria? So if this were to be in America, we can say that the inflation is caused by the level of money supply in America based on the stimulus package that is being given to the people by the American government. However, this is Nigeria. No government is giving, a stimulus cash to the Nigerians. So there is no too much money supply in Nigeria. So that's not the cause of inflation in Nigeria. However, the cause of inflation in Nigeria is insecurity. The level of insecurity in Nigeria is very alarming. We all know about this nomadic herdsmen terrorizing Nigerians. So this is bringing about a negative effect on the production of goods and services in Nigeria based on the fact that producers are scared of moving around. Farmers are scared of going to their farms to go produce crops, and this is bringing about a shock in supply. And we all know if the demand outstrips the supply, then that is going to bring about a price inflation. The second reason for inflation in Nigeria is because of the increasing cost of imported goods, the devaluation of naira. A weaker naira compared to the imported products that was being bought with dollars is going to be very expensive when the sellers are selling back to the people. So that way we're seeing, a hike in price, and that is inflation. Another reason is because of the lockdown, since everyone was locked down because of the COVID-19. So this also bring about the reduction in production of goods and services, whereby, demand also outstrips supply, and that's going to push the price of goods and commodities to go up, and that is also inflation. And there are some other factors like transportation and the increase in the fuel price, and so many other things. Since inflation is making us lose money, then how best can we protect our capital? What can we do to stop losing money? So the things that we need to do is to invest our money, because the interest rate we're getting from savings, it's around 5%, and that is below the the rate of inflation. So even if we're saving at the rate of even if we're saving and getting the interest of 5% compared to the inflation rate of 16.47%, we're still losing. That means we need to be investing our money to get a rate of return above the inflation rate. So where can we invest? You can actually invest in real estate, shares, equity, and also bond market, that is the T-bills. So let's say, for example, real estate. So if you pick up a 50 million property in Lekki, the rate of return should be around 20% above inflation. That way, you're growing your money. However, you're not gonna get a 10 million naira rent and a 50 million naira, a 50 million naira house in Lekki. So that means you're getting below inflation rate. That means real estate is not even working. Then let's try to look into the shares, the equity market. So if you're trying to buy shares, that means you're looking for a dividend yield above inflation rate of 16.47%, but you could barely find a shares that's gonna give you above 16.47%. Now it's a bit of a struggle here. So what's going on? That means you need to even look for that, to look into the bond market, the treasury bill. And now looking into this treasury bill, a one-year T-bill is actually giving a rate of return of 2%. That is ridiculously low. So with real estate, shares and bonds, you're not even able to keep up with the inflation rate in Nigeria. What is going on? So now this is obvious that Nigeria is in a state of stagflation. That means the inflation rate is very high, and unemployment rate is also very high, and also the growth rate of the country is very, very slow. Nigeria has just released the news that it's just come out of recession with just with a tiny bit fraction, that is 0.11%. So that growth rate is very, very small compared to the inflation rate of 16.47%. That is ridiculous. And we also know about the NSAS protest, about loads of Nigerian youths complaining about the state of the country. So Nigeria, which way? So now the best place for you to invest your money to beat the inflation rates in Nigeria is for you to be looking at cryptocurrency. Though cryptocurrency is a very, very risky asset, very volatile, you need to understand that asset class for you to be able to invest in, that, and don't consider this as a financial advice. and also you need to look at investing in foreign currency. Yeah, so foreign exchange, investing your money in dollars, pounds, or foreign asset in terms of shares or whatever. That is also a very good idea for you to hedge your money against inflation. And if you must invest in Nigeria, and this is for the people in diaspora, so if you must invest in Nigeria, then looking into agriculture is also a very key sector for you to be able to beat inflation. I've seen a rate of return of 20% and above in the agricultural sector. However, you need to be very careful of Ponzi schemes. There are loads of Ponzi schemes going on in the agricultural sector that you need to do your due diligence. Gold is also a very, very classic asset to invest in an inflationary environment. So looking to invest in gold is not going to be a bad idea. So please don't consider this a financial advice. This is just for educational purpose. And if you love this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you feel in the comment section down below. And thank you once again for watching. My name is Abidemi Abbas. Thank you.